So let's configure our CHAP settings now, shall we? So we're going to set it to use unidirectional CHAP if required by target. That gives us a little bit of time to make changes to the SAN, so we can apply that. If the SAN is not ready to accept CHAP, then we'll connect without CHAP, and then we can go and change the SAN when we're ready to use CHAP. I'm not going to use the initiator name. I am just going to set this to ESX hosts. Same on the other host. Of course, we could use different credentials on each host if that's what our storage array calls for, but I'm just using one account for ease. Go to our storage array. We'll go down to sharing and iSCSI. First of all, I'll need to create an access group. Add. ID is 1. User is ESX-hosts. Set my secret. Now, if I was configuring bidirectional CHAP, which I'm not, then I would now put in to the peer details here the inbound CHAP details that I configured there, but we're not. I will save that, and I will go to portals, edit that portal. I'm going to say CHAP. Now, if I was doing bidirectional CHAP, I would say mutual CHAP in here. It's the same thing, just different phrase. I'm going to select group 1. Save that. Cancel that off. Rescan. Let's make sure that our storage device is still happy. You see we've got active paths there. Let's just see the status there. Yep, that's all good. So we're now using CHAP. So just for completeness, let's now go and configure mutual CHAP. So we're going to say use bidirectional CHAP. Not initiator name, sorry. I'm going to say free NAS. Set a secret. I'm going to go to my authorized access in here. I'm going to set peer user. Have that set. Wants me to confirm the original secret as well. In my portal configuration, edit, and change that to mutual CHAP. And once again, we'll rescan storage. We'll go and update the other host as well to use bidirectional CHAP. We're going to turn to our original host, check the path status, and the paths are all active. To our second host, same again, all active. So now we have bidirectional CHAP configured and working.